Are you concerned about the direction our state and country are headed? Away from freedom, equal opportunity, and mutual respect, and towards a broken inflationary economy where only big government seems to benefit, crime is increasing, and don't forget divisive identity politics. Me too. Defending the principles that define America, personal liberty, limited government, and the rule of law, is the only path to prosperity. I humbly ask for your vote so I can continue the work I've begun, defending America and rebuilding Connecticut. I'm Republican State Senator Rob Sampson. I approve this message.